Hello and welcome to this honest review of Voice to Content. This is an honest review because I paid for this myself. This software cost me $14.95 and I got it slightly cheaper because I used the promo code of Voice. I cannot guarantee that will work if you buy it and use that promo code, but that's how I managed to get mine for $14.95. What is Voice to Content? Voice to Content is essentially an AI content engine, but instead of typing things in, you speak them in. Let me show you. So I click create new project. I'm going to call this product Anchor 620 versus Anchor 737. So that's going to be one of my upcoming videos. And the next step is instead of typing your content out, you just upload your content. So that can be as an audio file, that can be as a video file, or you can just record straight in. If you wanted to just type it, you've got to upgrade to Pro. If you wanted to translate it to different languages, you've got to upgrade to Pro. And I'm going to talk about upgrades a little bit later. So I've tried doing the audio import with my phone and it does work. So I've gone to this site on my iPhone and I've uploaded a voice memo and it worked. And you can also record directly from your iPhone directly into the web application. Probably works with other mobiles, but I've not been able to test that. I don't have a pre-made file ready, so I'm just going to start recording now. So I need to allow my microphone through the web browser. The Anchor 620 costs around £35 or $35, and it is powerful enough to charge up a laptop. The Anchor 737 costs around £100 or $100, and again, it is powerful enough to charge up a laptop. But I would like to know which is better value, which is the best for most people, and what are the upside and what are the pros and what are the cons of each of the Anchor's power packs. The Anchor 60. So I've made my recording. I recorded directly into the browser. It plays back. I'm very confident that it's recorded the right thing. So I go to the next step. So that loaded quite quickly. It's transcribed what I said. The transcription costs a credit. So if I go up here, we can see I've got 995 credits remaining because you get 1,000 credits. Now, once you run out of those credits, this doesn't work anymore. You either have to upgrade to unlimited or you have to buy some credits. So if I look at the upgrades here, we've got Pro, Unlimited, Agency, and Domination. So like I say, the conversion of audio costs 1 credit, and then converting it into content costs another credit. We've got all these things here. We can't do email because you need Pro for that, or webinars. I don't even know what webinars would be, but mine could be social media or videos, but really it's videos because I want to make this into a YouTube video. So do I want a video description? Do I want titles? I want a script outline. Default language, I need to pick, that's going to be English. And I need to pick a tone. So I want friendly because it's YouTube video, and I'm going to generate my AI content. So again, you can see I've just lost a single credit because, well, it's generating my content. So when you use this, you need to think you get effectively 500 goes and then that's it. And then you need to upgrade. So let's have a look at what it's done. So this is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'd need to go through that and tinker it and change it. I wouldn't use this as my script, but it's a starting point and it gives me an idea of where to go. So I can copy the text or I can delete it. I don't know why I would delete it, but if I go back to projects, you can see this is my third project and it retains the project here within the software. So you can make it and come back to it later. So you've also got sub accounts. You can give people sub accounts, and I think they get 25 credits per sub account. So if your mum wants to use this, say, don't buy it, mum, let me give you a sub account, and you've got 50 sub accounts. Let's have a look at the upgrade. So probably the most useful one is going to be the unlimited. Let's have a look at that. So if we go unlimited, we can go unlimited and it costs $197 as a one-time fee. That's quite a lot, really. And for that, you get unlimited credits. That $15 investment that I've made, if I want to use this all the time, that $15 then becomes $212 expensive. And maybe it's a good thing to use all the time. You can quickly record something when you're out and about on your smartphone, and you can get a video script out of it. So the Pro version costs $67 as a one-time fee. Effectively, you get a few more functions. You do not get unlimited credits. You just get a few more functions. So let's talk about voice to content. What do I think? Well, it does what it says it does, but you are limited by 500 goes, and then that's it. If you want to dip your toe into AI stuff and you're just trying it out, this is a good way to try it out. But for most people who are using AI stuff, they're probably going to go through that 500 credits and then that's it. They won't be able to do much else for it. So it's up to you really to decide, is that 500 goes worth $15? Thank you. Goodbye.